Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love shopping online and want to earn crypto rewards while doing it, then you're going to love today's video. I'm sharing the latest Socialgood invitation code and referral code for 2025 and showing you how to earn crypto cashback every time you shop online. What is Socialgood? Socialgood is a revolutionary app that gives you cryptocurrency cashback whenever you shop at your favorite online stores. Instead of just discounts or points, you earn actual crypto, which you can hold, trade, or cash out. Here's why Socialgood is a game changer. Cashback in crypto. Earn SG tokens every time you make a purchase. Thousands of online stores, from Amazon and eBay to tech gadgets and fashion. Easy to use. Just shop like normal and watch your crypto balance grow. Invite and earn. Share your referral code with friends and get bonus tokens. Now let's talk about how to get started and save even more in 2025. 1. Use my Socialgood invitation code. SG 2025 when signing up to earn bonus crypto immediately. 2. Link your favorite shopping accounts or shop directly through the Socialgood app to get automatic cashback. 3. Share your referral code with friends to increase your crypto earnings even faster. Pro tip, the more you shop through Socialgood, the more crypto you accumulate. Combine big sales like Black Friday or Cyber Monday with Socialgood to maximize rewards. And here's the kicker, this isn't just a gimmick. You're literally getting paid in crypto for something you already do every day, shopping online. That's why so many users are switching to Socialgood to earn passive crypto rewards effortlessly. So, if you want to start earning crypto while shopping, click the link in my description, sign up with my invitation code SG2025, and watch your rewards grow. That's it for today. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto cashback tips and affiliate deals, and comment below, what's the first item you'll buy to earn crypto cashback? Remember, with Socialgood, every online purchase becomes an opportunity to earn cryptocurrency for free. Start now and make your shopping count in 2025.